Wait, what is he doing? Yo. Is he even gonna turn around? Is he gonna do anything? Is he just gonna take it? Go back up.